Going beyond business as usual means unlocking the innovative potential of the private sector to make positive contributions towards social and environmental and health challenges.
The new programs in Managing for Sustainability that we're implementing here in the Desautels Faculty of Management at McGill University respond to issues of both supply and demand, I would say. On the supply side, we have students pressing for programming that will prepare them to meet the huge challenges that they see in the world and that they're eager to take on and to provide innovative solutions for.
I'm very excited about these programs. The first is a concentration, which is a bundle of 5 courses, and this particular concentration in Managing for Sustainability combines courses from across almost all the management areas: accounting, information systems, operations management, organizational behavior, and strategy.
So when I heard that McGill was implementing a BCom program in sustainability, I right away changed my initial plan of what I was going to do until graduation next year to change to enroll in this new program. It's time for managers to apply sustainability on a day-to-day corporate level scene. So I think this major is really something that would allow me to sort of change the way business is done and kind of direct it towards a more sustainable path.
In conjunction with that, we're responding to a shifting labor market. There are increasingly roles in companies that are specifically dedicated to addressing sustainability issues.
I decided to enroll in the MBA program to actually learn from the sustainability module on how to deal with sustainability challenges. And I would say mostly to look at them from an opportunity perspective more than a risk that needs to be mitigated at all costs.
Business used to be held in check by 2 powerful forces, religion and government, whose purpose was promoting public welfare. But business is now itself the most powerful source in society. As such, it must adopt a new purpose beyond the maximization of profit.
Sustainability issues are the single most important driver of innovation in the business world today. Whether you think of technological changes, new business models, new ways that organizations relate to stakeholders, it's sustainability issues that are really driving change across almost every sector of society.
It is not an option anymore not to deal with such issues, and us as leaders, we need to be able to deal with them. For example, you need to be able to create value not only for your shareholders, but also for important stakeholders like the environment and the society.
Sustainability is often said to rest on 3 pillars: the economic, the social, and the ecological. What we've witnessed in the past 100 years is an overemphasis on the economic to the detriment of the social and the ecological. An economic system can only be viable if there's a functioning social system, and social systems are only viable if they're within functioning ecosystems that provide clean water, clean air, food, and approaching all of them with a sense of balance rather than an overemphasis on one to the detriment or undermining of another. Another important concept in sustainability is that of the circular economy, and this is a lesson taken directly from Mother Nature. In nature, there is no waste. All waste becomes food for some other organism, and our economy will be moving towards one that is more circular, with recycling, take-back, and the reuse of materials.
So some of the courses I'll be taking are such as sustainability and operations, information systems that are sustainable. Also, there's also something such as green accounting and green financing. So there's a lot of different courses related to different functions of business.
The best talent in the world want jobs that are meaningful. They want work that they can be proud of. So with all of these pressures are coming together and nudging business towards innovating in ways that respond to sustainability issues.
It is definitely an advantage for a leader to know how to deal with the sustainability issues in the organization. And if you see our day-to-day job is changing because of different requirements from a sustainability perspective, from our customers, our partners, our vendors, so you need to be ready to deal with such challenges.
It's one of the first universities to offer management and sustainability together. I think it's definitely something unique and something new and something most employers will look forward to knowing more about it.
We take very seriously our responsibility as educators that we are training tomorrow's business leaders, yes, but we are also training citizens to go out there into the world and be responsible and to find solutions to the most pressing challenges.